In this tutorial, I will show you how to cast onto the tape of a zipper without using a Knitpick tool. If you do have access to a Knitpick tool, I've linked a tutorial below on how to use that to cast onto a zipper. You will need a tapestry needle, the knitting needle you will use, a zipper marked with a gauge, and the yarn. The tapestry needle needs to have a very sharp point on one end that will go through the zipper tape. And the eye must be large enough to accommodate a double strand of your yarn. Using either a swatch or the garment that you will attach the zipper to, you can create your own gauge ruler by marking the stitch or the row gauge. Once you have your ruler, transfer the markings onto the zipper tape. And the zipper tape is ready for casting on. To cast on, you will first insert the tapestry needle into the first marking of your zipper tape, but don't pull it all the way through. Now, fold over your yarn to make a loop and insert that loop into the eye of the needle without pulling it all the way through. And then you will pull that loop of yarn through the zipper tape. And this is a little bit difficult. You need to wiggle a little bit to get everything through. Once you have the loop through the tape, don't pull it all the way through, but insert your knitting needle through that loop and pull on the yarn ends to tighten. You have cast on your first stitch. To cast on the next stitch, insert the tapestry needle into the next marking on the zipper tape. Create a loop of yarn by folding your yarn over and insert that into the eye. And then you will pull that loop also through the zipper tape. And you have your second loop, insert your knitting needle through that second loop, and you need to pull on the ends of the yarn to tighten everything up. Now you have 2 stitches cast on. I'll show that one more time. Insert your tapestry needle into the next mark on the zipper tape. Insert a loop of yarn through the eye of the needle. Pull the yarn loop through the zipper tape. And insert your needle, tighten everything up. You have cast on yet another stitch. Once you've cast on your desired number of stitches, you can work directly onto these stitches. On the wrong side, you will see a series of dashes, and this will come in handy when you want to hide the raw zipper edge. Another way of preparing your zipper, you will start the same way with a loop cast onto the needle, but remove the needle and then flatten that loop. Insert your tapestry needle through the next mark and also through the middle of the first loop you have created. Then place a loop of yarn through the eye of the needle. And pull that loop through both the zipper tape and the first loop of yarn you have created. Insert your knitting needle through that second loop. Neaten everything up. Remove the needle. And now you have a second loop on the zipper. Once again, insert the needle through the next mark on the zipper tape. and also through the last loop you have created. And then you will pull a loop of yarn through both the zipper tape and that last loop you have created. And you can see now that you're starting to form a chain onto the zipper tape. And that chain can be used to attach the zipper to any knitted work. And here's a zipper with a longer chain prepared. And on the right side, you can attach that using mattress stitch to a piece of knitted work. And again, on the wrong side of the zipper tape, you see a line of dashes, and this is again useful for hiding the raw zipper tape once you have attached it.